It's landlord Greg. It's not landlord Greg, but I'm at one of Casey Cornell's flips here in Columbus, Ohio, and actually right by where I grew up. So I absolutely love this house. I came to check it out. Really impressed with what Casey is doing. He's our expansion team leader down here in the Columbus area. For anybody that's looking to buy or sell in Columbus, my friends from Waterson, whatever, keep me in mind. We've got an incredible team down here that obviously knows about investing. But check out the finishes. We're going to do a quick little tour here. So check out the finishes. Really impressive stuff. I'm going to take a peek under here. Check out what oh, that is really nice. This is on Glenmar, right down in the campus area. Great location, really. This is the bathroom. I thought this was clever to use this kind of wall texture. It's really good quality. I've actually never thought or seen that. I love his flooring. Just really nice. Now it looks like he's putting a whole garage back there. I'll have him obviously comment and he can tell us what's going on here. But let's do a walkthrough. I think this is kind of fun. That's pretty cool. It looks like he kept the original. Most of these houses I know because I grew up here like 1920s. So my guess is this one's also 1920s construction. You've got the actual fireplace, most likely wood burning. It is kind of funny when you tour houses. I love this. Like when you walk in the front door, you've got this coat nook, what have you. I'm also dropping off some more incredible new listing presentations. What? You'll want to get your hands on it, but the only way to get one is to list your home with us. All right, let's get upstairs. Let's check this out. I love these hardwoods. I don't know if he's going to refinish them. They look good, so I'm pretty sure he is, but God, this brings back memories. This is like every one of my childhood friends' houses. I'll throw out some names. I had Ben Kelly lived in one of these, Joe Schneider. Obviously myself. Who else? Give a shout out below if you lived in one of these houses in Clintonville or in the Columbus area when you were a kid. Nice closet. Okay. So this looks like it was a porch, but then it was turned into a full, most likely a walk-in closet for this isn't even the master, so really cool. And the bathroom, I love the subway tile. It's got texture to it. Casey, I don't know if you're getting discounts on kind of or if you've got a designer, or is this all you? Like what makes you select these patterns and stuff? Very cool, don't get me wrong. I'm just trying to figure out, God, I remember there was a kid's house that I used to go to, I forget, I think it was James Bowling. And we'd run up, he had a attic through this door. We used to cause chaos like you have no idea. Anyway, all right. And yes, I'm out of breath from doing stairs. I'm not the healthiest character on the block, but looking good for 50, what's up? Anyway, sorry, did I say that out loud? I did, here we go. Let's go into the 1920s basement, everyone's favorite. Oh yes, where all the dragons lived as a child, through one of these random doors. I'm not even opening that. All right, I think he did kind of the paint the floor, paint the wall thing. This is where the old gravity furnaces used to live. Now you've got your upgraded forced air, and I can feel the central air on a day like today. It's absolutely fantastic. New water tank. Really impressive. Really impressive. So this, the finances, I'm sure Casey might want to share that or could share that with us. I love that use of LED lights too. That's really smart these days. But I'm sure Casey will maybe share the finances with us. Like, what did he buy it for? What was the cost to flip? And the final sale price. If you like this home, comment below and I'll connect you with KC. Obviously this hasn't hit the market yet. A really cool neighborhood. And Like I said, I grew up here, so it is close to my heart. This must have been the rock wall garden that Casey was working on during our leadership call this week. Really nice. Tell you what, one way to make a lot of money in real estate is get your hands dirty. That's probably the number one way. I know we all watch TV, but when it comes down to it, you get your hands dirty, you make a lot of money. Nice house. Can't wait to see what it flips for.